Bass at it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass at it, and I'm back with another video, y'all. In this video, I got my partner pulling back up on me in the Lincoln. As y'all seen from the last video, we just installed the Turn-Up Smart 3K in his car on the 2 American-made XFL 15s, man. And he just had another package to drop for the car, so he upgraded once again. So if y'all interested in seeing what that upgrade is, man, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and smash that notification bell right now before the video even starts, y'all. To all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and everybody that been rocking with me since day one on this journey, man. Look, I appreciate y'all so much, man. Y'all continue to help support this channel. So continue to help support this movement, man. If y'all into instrumentals, if you got your own YouTube channel and you need instrumentals, or you know what I'm saying, you rap, whatever the case may be, y'all, go check my brother YouTube channel out, Harder Way Beats, man. I keep telling y'all, he one of the rawest in this area, man. Probably one of the rawest around, man, because bro come with his own unique style. So y'all make sure y'all go check my brother out, man. Harder Way Beats on YouTube, man. The link will be in the description below. But without further ado, I'm waiting for my homeboy to pull back up. When he pull up, y'all, I'm gonna bring the package out of the house. I'm gonna let him open it. I'm gonna record him opening it. And I already told him I'm gonna need 2 of them decals off the top. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is, but I'm gonna need 2 of them decals off the top because mine got old and fell off, so I need about 2 of them. But like I said, y'all, we gonna get into this video. We gonna install the upgrade, and in the last video, if y'all didn't notice, we were supposed to hook up his EQ in the Lincoln, but it got dark on us. You know what I'm saying? We got the amp playing, right, and we actually ran out of time, man, to be honest with you. So he gonna pull up a little earlier today. We gonna start off with the EQ off the top, and then we gonna break everything up down and install the other upgrade, man. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. We are
yeah, I like it.
You gotta do the honors. Yes, sir. You ain't gotta have a big blade to make it effective. Yes, sir. Cut like butter. Alright. Unboxing. Dude, I don't need 2 of them decals. I think every one of them come with a decal. Yeah, there go one right there on the top.
What we got going on? What we got going on?
Yes, sir.
The beauty of it.
I ain't lying. I swear to God. So what you think, bro? You got 6 of them motherfuckers, bro. What you think, man?
We're gonna get loud.
What's that?
Get loud.
Oh God. For real. So bro ordered 6 Skar 6.5. I think what they are, FXS, I think. I don't want to lie to y'all. What they are? FXX. Yeah, I said it wrong. He ordered 6 of those 6.5 and going there, y'all. So in the last video, y'all said y'all love the vocals of the car and all that good stuff, man. So as y'all can see, they gonna go to another level for sure. And we're gonna hook the EQ up. So we gonna get into that before it get dark on them, man. A little early in the evening. That's what we needed. So we gonna get on that. Y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, the EQ hooked up. Everything working. We working on the wiring. Gotta find somewhere to mount it. But everything is hooked up, y'all. Everything. Except the CD player. The CD player is not hooked up. But the EQ is working. Y'all stay tuned and see what it sounds like. And then we're gonna get to swapping these speakers out in the door, man. Let's get it. You got that hooked up now.
Know what I'm saying? These vocals against.
Oh yeah. We ain't even put the new speakers in yet, but this just with the EQ hooked up. As y'all can see, we just got to hide the wires. After we hide the wires, we gonna take the speakers out. You turn it up.
To see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your red wings on. Transformed your love into life, baby. I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night.
Okay guys, so we back. Y'all heard the before, and that's before we hooked the speakers up. The Skar 6.5, those were just the speaker that they had in there on the EQ by themselves. You know, it sound good, but it's gonna be a big difference. So we just got back from the store. We got some connector for the speakers. Got some more love. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that video. We got him some more love for his mid-range amp, and we got some bracket to mount the crossover. So we about to get into that. I'm gonna set the camera up. We trying to get this shit done before it get dark, and we halfway there. So stay tuned, y'all. Alright y'all, so it started raining on us, man. From the last clip y'all seen, we got it hooked up, and it sound damn good. It sound damn good, y'all. But we got the passenger side to do. I'm actually trimming out the plate for the passenger side. I'm trimming out the plate for the passenger side, and we're gonna mount the EQ, and that's gonna be it. Boy, that shit, that was treacherous. I went in the house, the baby was laughing at me. Hi, Daddy, we heard y'all running. You got wet. Lord. Had to go in the house and change clothes, y'all. But y'all stay tuned, man, for the finished product. We're going to do a distance test with the Skar speaker hooked up. And hopefully y'all can tell the difference in the video, because it be definitely loud as hell in person, man. So y'all stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Hard on you.
With a pleasant smile. After the rain, I can't believe you got the nerve to still call me baby. And I tried to tell you no, it ain't so, but I guess love just ain't in me. 'Cause boy, I still. Alright, dang, folks. That's why I still love you.
Okay guys, so as y'all can see, it is another day, and I know the end of that video end up with, kind of dark. Like I said, y'all know the times get ready to change, so I try to do the best I can do with these videos, y'all, but take it for what it is, y'all, you know what I'm saying? The dark section of the video was only to show y'all how loud and clear that car is from a distance, man, and I can say it a million times, but the video does it no justice, y'all. That car is screaming, like screaming loud. If y'all think it sounded good, the last video, y'all should hear it now. But I hope y'all enjoyed that content. Leave a comment below. Let me know what y'all think. If you haven't, hit that subscription button. I'm gonna leave a link to the speakers that he got if anybody else interested in getting those. So y'all will be able to order them up too. I mean, you can't beat them for the price. And them motherfuckers screaming, as y'all can see. So, like I said, once again, I'm sorry about the dark section in the end of the video, but take it for what it is. It was just for me to show y'all how loud that car is from a distance. So, we gonna close this video out right here, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. This your boy Bass said it. We are out. Like, comment, share, subscribe.